In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter retail sales in Xero. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to record retail takings using a receive money transaction. This method is perfect when you're summarizing daily point of sale activity and depositing it to your bank, rather than issuing individual invoices. Start on your Xero dashboard. Look to the top right and click the plus icon. This is your quick create menu, and it's the fastest way to add common transactions without hunting through different screens. From the options that appear, choose receive money. Think of receive money as a cash receipt. You're telling Xero that the business has received funds and you want to capture what they relate to. Next, select the bank account that actually received the deposit. Choose the same account you see on your bank statement so everything lines up during reconciliation. Getting this right up front saves time later because Xero will be able to match the transaction to your bank feed automatically. After selecting the account, click M. Next, to move into the cash receipt details. In the From field, choose the contact that represents your retail sales. Many businesses use an existing contact like retail sales or shop sales to group daily takings. Picking a consistent contact keeps your reporting clean and makes it easy to search past entries. Enter a clear reference. This is your audit breadcrumb. Use something meaningful like the trading date, a till or shift number, or the POS batch ID. A consistent reference makes month-end reviews and auditor questions much simpler. Now, select the item that best represents the goods or services sold. Choosing an existing item helps because items can carry the correct revenue account and tax settings for you, reducing data entry and minimizing errors. If you sell multiple categories and track them separately, pick the item that maps to the right revenue line for retail sales. Take a moment to confirm the description and that the coding shown aligns with how you report retail income. When everything looks accurate, click Save. This records the receive money transaction in the bank account you selected and makes it available to match against your incoming bank feed. The result is a clean, traceable entry that ties your deposit to the right revenue stream with a clear reference. That's it. You clicked the plus icon, chose receive money, selected the correct bank account, went next, set the from contact, added a useful reference, picked the right item, and saved. Use the same structure each day for consistent, easy to reconcile retail sales in Xero.